Please, I hope you all are staying happy, healthy, and fit at your homes and are enjoying and studying your daily concepts well. So, it's time for today's topic. So, let's see what all we are having for today. So, my dear kiddies, today we are going to have a thorough revision of all the small letters and capital letters and objects that start from the letter, and we're going to revise these things. So, let's start as we have reached to the end of culmination 1. So, it's very important to have a thorough revision of all the things we have learnt till date. So, we start now. So, let's start with the first letter. What is this? Can you tell me? This is capital A. And this is the small version of A. So capital A and small a. Okay. Now what starts from this letters is apple, A for apple, and A for is aeroplane. So what is this? A for apple, and A for aeroplane. Okay, now we move to the next letter, that is capital B. What is this? This is capital B. Now this is the small version, that is the small b. So B, what start from B is B for ball and B for bat. This is ball and this is bat. Both start from the letter B. Now next is C, capital C, and this is small c, chotu wala c. This is capital C and this is small c. Okay, now C for is cat and C for is car. Cat and car. The next is the capital D and this is the small d. The objects that start from D are dog and duck. Dog and duck. Okay, D for dog and D for duck. Okay, now next is E. This is E, capital E, and this is small e, capital E and small e. E for is egg, this is egg, and elephant. Okay, egg and elephant. The last one is F, capital F, and this is small f. So F for is fish and F for is flowers. So my dear kiddies, I want to tell you one thing, that there are many objects that start from all these letters. You can learn any of the objects that you wish to learn. Okay, for suppose A for is apple, A for is aeroplane, A for is ant, and many other objects that start from letter A. So it's totally depend upon your wish, what you feel comfortable to learn that. So this is all we have learned till date, and I hope you all have learned writing the small letters. Now we will switch over to the exercises for the day. Okay. So after the revision, now we have switched over to the exercises of the letters and alphabet. So in this exercise or this assignment, what you need to do, the first question is find A and color it. Among all these bubbles or circles, what you need to do is you need to find A, small a, and you need to color it. Okay, what you need to do, you need to find small a and you need to color it. Okay, have crayons with you and you need to color it. So let's start. I am having colors with me, so I am taking orange color. You can take any color of your choice. Okay, now I'm going to find where is small a. Can you see where is small a? Can you tell me? Okay, I can see small a is here and I am coloring this bubble orange color. Okay, so you need to color it properly. We need to find the letter and we need to color it. Okay, so we are done with coloring here. Now let's move to the second question. The second question says to find B and color. The same you need to do. Now you need to find B and you need to color it. So let's take one more color, that is the blue color, to color and find B. Where is B? Where is B? Can you see? I can see here is B. B for is ball and B for is bat. B also objects like butterfly also start with letter B. So here we are coloring the letter B. Okay, we are done with it. Now third is find C and color. Same you need to do as you done in the above ones. Okay, my little kids. On this page also you are having the same questions. You need to find the letters and you need to color the bubbles. Okay, my dear students. Now we move to the next question, that is practice. What we need to do? We need to practice the letters. whatever we have learned till date. So A, B, C, G and E and F we have learned. Okay, now we need to practice them. We need to write it on our own. A, B for ball, C for his cat, D for his dog, E for his elephant, F for his fish and flower. Okay, we did it. You need to practice as much as you can. I repeat, as much as you can. Okay, so this is the last question for the day, to practice A to Z, capital A to Z one more time. Okay, as now we will be done with our letters and alphabet parts in the culmination one. So this is all today's assignment. Students, this was all for your letters and alphabets class for today. I hope you all will do as much practice as possible. Okay, keep studying, keep enjoying, stay home and stay safe, my little kids. Thank you.